Hi, Dr. Oz. My name is Carrie. I'm 25 years old from Connecticut. My unique remedy is for getting rid of hiccups. I developed it through trial and error around the time when I was 8 years old. I tried a bunch of things that people told me to do as far as getting rid of hiccups goes and came up with my own unique remedy, as I'll demonstrate in a second. It starts with putting a sip of water in your mouth, and you hold that sip in your mouth and climb upside down on the couch with your head hanging toward the ground. You hold your breath for 5 seconds and plug your nose and your ears, and then you swallow that sip and your hiccups should be gone. I will demonstrate that now. And voila, your hiccups are gone.